Good day, guys, and welcome back. Today we will learn about linear graphs. A student gave me this question and asked me to help. Right, because you are required to draw the graph of y equal to half x minus 2 using 2 cm to represent 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 cm to represent 1 unit on the y-axis. Alright, and this table that the question gave does not indicate the values of x. You are given the freedom of choice, right? You can choose whatever number that you want. Okay. All right. But then what numbers to choose, right? My suggestion is, since the the gradient is half, the denominator is 2, right? So the values of x should be the multiples of 2. The reason being, you can cancel it off easily. Instead of imagining if you put 3, right? What happens if we put 3? It's not multiple of 2, isn't it? So you see, your y will be half, x is 3, and then minus 2. You will have fractions all over the places, fractions and fractions, and we don't like fractions. Okay, it will be very difficult to indicate where the points are. You're creating problems for yourself, right? So don't. So get the multiples of 2 based on the denominator of your fraction, right? So my suggestion is, let's say negative 2, 0, 2. Okay, all right. So what we have is your y equal to half, your x is negative 2 minus 2, so this one gives you negative 1. So negative 1 minus 2, so it gives you negative 3. Okay, so that will be negative 3 there. If it is 0, oh lovely, you know why? Can cancel off everything. Try not put 0 here, minus 2, so everything is gone, so your y is negative 2. Done deal. Okay, when it is a positive 2, your y equal to half x, x is 2 minus 2, so 2 and 2 cancel off, so you have 1 minus 2, so you have negative 1. Okay, so positive 1, negative 1, right? Negative 1 there. All right, so get your points, get the coordinates. Okay, negative 2, negative 3, that is your point here. Okay, and 0, negative 2, this is your point, and of course 2, negative 1, this is your point. Okay, we zoom in and we start to draw the line, join the lines. All right. Okay, all right, so there we can push it further up here. Okay, oh, it doesn't move. Okay, wait, never mind, don't worry about that. Push here. All right, push it there. All right, and we can further go up. Okay, further go up, all the way up. Okay, cuts the x-axis also, right, all the way. So this is your line of y equal to half x minus 2. Once done, you put your equation here, right, turn a bit and then make it nice. Done deal. So this is your graph of y equal to half x minus 2. Now you realize that based on this, let's say here again. Okay, what does this equation says, right? Compared to your y equal to mx plus c. In other words, your c here, that means your y-intercept is negative 2. Done deal, correct? And your gradient here is half. Okay, how to find the gradient? All right, can we prove that the gradient is indeed half? Well, easily done, don't worry. Okay, look what we can show you. Okay, imagine this is your point A, right, and this is your point B, right? Point B is 0, negative 2, right, and point A is 4, 0. That are your coordinates, and therefore remember your m is the rise over the run. Okay, the rise will be from here to here, right, and the run from your point B to your base of your point A. It must make a 90 degrees. This is your rise, okay, and this is your run. The rise is 2 units, right? Okay, well, it's 2 units, right? From 0 to 2 units, and then that will be your run. I mean, your rise is 2 unit, and your the run from here to here is 4 units, correct? 0 to 4, so 4 units. So yep, 2 divided by 4 is half. That's it. Yeah, and since it's going upwards, so it's a positive gradient. Unless of course it's going downwards, it's negative gradient, right? Now, another way to show by calculation. Okay, by calculation, how are you going to do? Right, by using the formula. Remember your formula? Your formula says what? Your m is equal to your y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? Therefore, you have your, let me just put here your, this one is, let's say, since it's a, right? You put it x1, y1, right? And this is will be your x2, y2, okay? Therefore, your y2, using the formula, y2 is negative 2 here, minus y1, y1 is 0, okay? And x2 will be 0 here, minus x1 will be 4, okay? So you have a negative 2 divided by negative 4. Negative and negative give you positive. So 2 and this one come you half. Done deal. Proven that our gradient is indeed half, positive half, because it's going upwards, right? Very simple, right, guys? It's not that difficult to draw the graph. Okay? Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.